N8n is a game changer in the world of workflow automation, enabling users to connect a wide array of applications and services effortlessly. With its dynamic integration capabilities, N8n makes automating tasks seamless and efficient. Whether you're a developer looking for deep customization or a business professional aiming to streamline operations, N8n has something for everyone. N8n offers unparalleled versatility, allowing users to customize workflows with ease. Webhooks and event triggers enable real-time automation, making it highly responsive. Its AI integration allows seamless connection with language models for enhanced decision-making. Developer-friendly tools, including a low-code interface and custom scripting options, provide flexibility. With over 350 pre-built nodes, N8n simplifies integration across multiple platforms. N8n supports complex workflow structures, including branching, merging, and iterations. This flexibility ensures that it can cater to various operational needs, whether simple task automation or intricate enterprise workflows. N8n's real-time responsiveness sets it apart. Workflows can be triggered using webhooks and event triggers, allowing automation to react instantly to external events such as new emails, form submissions, or changes in a database. Artificial intelligence is at the core of modern automation, and N8n embraces this fully. Users can integrate AI functionalities, such as chatbots and data analysis tools, to create intelligent, automated workflows that enhance efficiency and decision-making. For those who prefer coding over visual programming, N8n offers robust developer support. Users can write custom scripts in JavaScript and Python for precise control over workflow execution. In the self-hosted version, external NPM packages can also be utilized within N8n's JavaScript code nodes, expanding its customization capabilities. N8n provides a vast collection of pre-configured nodes that simplify the connection between various applications and services. These nodes reduce development time while ensuring that even non-technical users can build effective workflows effortlessly. One of N8n's biggest strengths is its extensive range of integrations. With more than 350 built-in integrations, users can connect multiple platforms to create smooth, end-to-end automation. Popular integrations include Scrape Ninja. Official N8n integration allows for seamless web scraping operations. Google Services enables reading and writing data to Google Sheets. However, self-hosting requires configuring Google Console access and setting up an OAuth client. Microsoft Teams and Outlook automate chat messages and emails by integrating Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Telegram connect Telegram to send messages automatically, streamlining communication workflows. N8n is a powerhouse for automation, offering a balance of user-friendly design and developer-centric flexibility. With its wide range of integrations, AI capabilities, and real-time event triggers, it empowers users to build powerful, scalable workflows tailored to their specific needs. Whether automating business operations or developing complex integrations, N8n is a go-to solution for anyone looking to enhance productivity through automation. Thank you for exploring Unlocking Automation, N8n's powerful integration features with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.